Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm kind of sharing like a Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale tips and tricks and kind of what's coming for the sale. Usually I wait to film these until it's a little bit closer, until I know kind of what maybe the prices will be and what stuff is going to be what certain discount. But Tess from Life Inside the Page Daily Finds just dropped a bunch of information of new scents and scents returning for the sale, so I did want to go ahead and film this. I know probably a lot of people are sharing this information right now, but it's just so exciting and I love to keep you guys informed of what's going on Bath & Body Works wise. So we're basically just going to be kind of talking about the new scents that's coming and what I think some of the price points might be compared to like the previous years. But if you guys didn't know, Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale is June 13. What this is a huge sale that Bath & Body Works does. They do it twice a year. That's why it's semi-annual. They do it the day after Christmas and they do it here in June, and it lasts about 3 to 4 weeks. And they basically clearance a bunch of their spring fragrances, and they sometimes bring stuff back for the sale. People just get really excited to stock up on stuff at a really good price point because you will see a lot of 75% off items. So that's like $3 a lotion, $3 a spray and stuff like that. So it's great deals and you can use coupons. There's usually a 10 off 40 that comes out in the mail, sometimes online as well, but they do also run the sale online. It's just not as good online. They typically don't have 75% off right away online, but they have been better and they have been like dropping stuff down as the sale goes on online as well as in store. So the online is getting better, but I always recommend shopping in store to really get what you want, and maybe online if there is just a couple of things that you want to make sure you have just in case your store doesn't have it, then like stock up there. But they do also have buy online pickup in store for certain locations, which is also really nice. You can also do that during the semi-annual sale, which I've done a couple times. But for the sale, especially the first day, I try to just stick to 75% off stuff unless there's a scent I really want that might be only half off. I might pick it up, and then usually each week the prices go down a little bit, so the 50% off might jump to 75% off the next week Monday, and it's usually on Mondays they do a sale change, sometimes like Thursdays or Fridays too, but usually Monday you can expect one. But it usually goes down each week before the sale is over, but they don't always replenish stuff. So there might be something that is only 50% off. You might skip on it that day, but then it might be gone and they might not get it again the whole sale. Some stuff does get replenished, but not everything. So if it's a scent you love, just go ahead and grab it at 50% off or $8 or whatever the deal is. If the price changes within 2 weeks, you can get a price adjustment, which they'll just give you the money like that you lost out on, I guess, if you bought it at only 50 and then it went to 75% off. If that makes sense, they can do that at their registers. Just make sure you have your receipt. I actually like to shop at different stores, so I go to multiple locations. Sometimes you can find different hidden gems there. Sometimes, rarely, they have 75% off candles. A lot of times I found that they are not marked and it's like a hidden gem. So I'm always looking on the Instagram hashtags like Bath & Body Works or We Love Sale when the sale is going on to see if people are finding secret 75% off candles so I can grab them, because if you guys see any Easter candles, those should be 75% off according to last year. Any Christmassy winter ones from last year you see at this summer sale, those should be 75% off. Usually, sometimes not. Sometimes I've had it where the fall ones are only still like 50%, because sometimes they'll do 50% off candles, sometimes they do $10. It just depends, but you could expect that most of the spring summer candles will be half off, and you might find a random 75% off hidden gem. But usually you'll find the updates from the different YouTubers that do the videos on Instagram if like what candles are seeming to ring up at 75%. And then of course the body care, it's usually 75% off. I would say probably the spring brunch collection is going to be 75% off, like the Peach Prosecco Macaroon, Bubbly Rosé, the Pear Creme Brulee. You should expect those to be 75%, I'm assuming, if things go according to plan, how they usually go each year. They did also bring out like the white t-shirt, the Fresh Coconut and Cotton body care this year, and I'm not sure if those are going to be part of semi-annual sale. I don't know if that's a collection that might stick around longer because it is very successful, but I'm assuming since it's a coconut, like fresh coconut and cotton scent, that one could possibly also be 75% off since it did come out in early, I guess, spring, Bath & Body Works spring. I'm pretty sure their last year, their tropical collection was also 75% off. So we might be able to see those also 75% off, like Pastel Skies, I think should be, as well as Saltwater Breeze, the coconut one that came out this year. I can't quite remember all the names off the top of my head. And then of course the Tutti Frutti Easter candy one. Those I'm thinking will be 75% off because technically spring is 75%. And then as I was saying earlier, I keep kind of getting off into a tangent here, but with the new summer body care that just launched, I think Buttercups and Berry Bellini, that one's still part of spring, so that one might be 75%. But the new summer ones we just had, Beach Nights and the new Pink Watermelon Pop, the Firecracker Pop, according to last year, the summer scents, they were only like $8 or something, or 50% off. They really weren't like 75% off right off the bat. So those are probably going to be at that higher price point. So, you know, if you have some free item coupons, like stock up on those now if you want them. But if there is anything left, those eventually will go down towards the end of the sale to 75%. I think that's most of the like tips and tricks I had. I can't think of anything else. Let's get into some of the new stuff that has been sneak peeked. So all credit goes to Life Inside the Page blog. I will link it down below. It's run by Tess. She used to have Instagram, but she deleted her Instagram, so now she just does her blog. So all these photos are her pictures that she has kind of sneak peeked and gave us. So thank you to her, but we have some really fun, exciting things coming back for the sale. So I'm going to scoot over so I can show you guys the photos here, and I'll probably be looking down because I am kind of reading this information here. So I want to cover what kind of things we're going to also see at my annual sale and what stuff's coming back for the sale and some new stuff. Usually every sale, Bath & Body Works does their returning fragrances. It usually includes 5 or 6 fragrances. I think they usually do around $3.95, $4, sometimes $5. The price always changes, but you can expect it to be around that. I would expect maybe $5 or $5.95 at the most. But this time for the sale, this returning favorites are Cucumber Melon. It comes back literally every sale, but I think it has some new packaging this time. Also, One in a Million. We haven't seen that one in a long time. The notes are jasmine extract, tuberose oil, white gardenia, pink pepper, and cashmere musk. It sounds extremely floral, so I don't know if it's one that I would like, but that one is coming back if it is a favorite of yours. We also have Country Apple making another appearance. That one comes out a lot, as well as Pink Chiffon, and if you guys are fans of Sunset Glow, that one is also returning. That one left last summer sale, but now we're seeing it make a comeback. I definitely recommend it. It is a gorgeous scent. It's one of my favorites from Bath & Body Works, especially for the summertime. This is mine that I have. The notes are fresh coconut, sparkling cherry, seltzer, dreamy moonflower, and caramelized vanilla. It's such a good, sweet, warm fragrance. You can even wear it fall, winter time. You get a little bit of cherry, vanilla. It's like literally the perfect mixture of all those notes. It's so good. It's so sweet and delicious. She posted that Pretty as a Peach might be leaving the lineup this sale. So that's one of their, I guess it was a permanent scent, but now it is kind of leaving the core line. That doesn't really upset me too much. I didn't love it, but I feel like they've had some better peach fragrances come out throughout the years. Like I love the peach Prosecco macaroon. That one is so good. So I don't know. I'm not too sad about Pretty as a Peach. If it does leave, it'll probably come back for other sales anyway. Now they're also going to have this Fruit Fizz collection coming for SAS, which is a lot of repackaged scents coming back for the sale. These will most likely be around, I'm guessing 50% off if they go kind of like how they did last year. So Coconut Pineapple is coming back. That one came out last year in the Coconuts collection. They had like a coconut lime, coconut pineapple. That one's coming back for the sale, and that one is a loved scent. Like it smells like delicious pina colada. Cucumber melon is in this Fruit Fizz collection, so it does have new packaging. Fresh coconut colada, I'm pretty sure that one also came back last sale. Notes of coconut milk, vanilla rum, and pink hibiscus. I'm kind of surprised about this one coming back, but strawberry soda is coming back, and I'm really surprised they decided to bring this one back instead of like the cherry limeade in that collection, because I feel like that was the star. I don't know, but I guess a lot of people like the strawberry soda. I wasn't a huge fan. It's like super sickeningly sweet strawberry, like almost like Kool-Aid mix is what it reminds me of. But I guess that one is coming back, and I'm really sad because I really wanted them to bring back champagne sprinkles from the last summer sale, but it looks like that one might not be coming back unless it randomly shows up in store, because sometimes you can find these different surprises. You never know what's going to pop up, so fingers crossed I can find champagne sprinkles because I love that scent and I need more of it. We also have the California Love collection also coming back. A couple of these were out during the winter sale, so we have Happy Vibes, Summertime Surf, and then Sunkissed is in this collection, which if you guys remember that scent, it came out last summer. It wasn't very popular though, so again, I'm really surprised that they decided to bring this one back because I feel like it wasn't one of the raved summer scents. This one, it kind of has a orangey cream vibe, but a sunscreen orange scent. It was very odd to me. I didn't love it, but I guess it's coming back if you do. Now, she did post that there is this test collection that can be found for semi-annual sale. So again, I'm gonna guess it's gonna be 50% off, but these almost look like aromatherapy, but I don't think they are. There's gonna be a misty morning, a afternoon sunshine, and then a cozy evening, which the cozy evening would probably be up my alley, but I guess these tested and just didn't make it nationwide, but I guess they're gonna come for the sale. The misty morning has notes of lily of the valley green tea and white amber. Afternoon sunshine has notes of golden peaches, honeycrisp apple, and white woods, and then cozy evening has notes of lavender blooms, fresh freesia, and cozy musk. And then the thing that I am most excited for that has some new scents and some repackages, this is called the Fun Fair Body Care Collection, and this is coming for the sale. So again, it should be about half off for these newer scents, or like $8, $7 I think they did last year. This actually has some brand new scents in it, and the first one is a returning scent. It is Cotton Candy Clouds. So Cotton Candy Clouds will be back. It's a repackage of Boardwalk Taffy and also the berry meringue that came out for summer. So the packaging though is stellar right now. Like, I really like the packaging on this one. It looks like this Fun Fair collection is only gonna have like not all forms. I don't know, just from what I can see, like the Cotton Candy Clouds looks like there's a lotion, a shower gel, and a spray. It doesn't look like any body creams here, so kind of surprised about that. But yeah, gorgeous packaging on Cotton Candy Clouds. I kind of want one just for the packaging, but I have so much of this scent, but so many people love it. Now this is a new one. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have a bubblegum pop. Like, what? A bubblegum scent. I really hope this smells like bubblegum and it's not a repackage, because I am so excited about this. I would love it to smell like the pink bubblegum candle that they had from years ago, but I don't have any notes of this yet, but it looks so cute. I absolutely need it. On this flyer, there's only a spray and a shower gel, so I don't know if it's even coming in any type of lotion. We'll see. There's also going to be a new scent called Orange Vanilla Twist, which everyone has been really hyped for this, because I think a lot of people have been asking for like an orange creamsicle scent from Bath & Body Works, so hopefully that is what this is. I just want a pure oranges and cream kind of scent, and this one has notes of juicy orange, summer sherbet, and vanilla cream. It sounds incredible. I need it. And then lastly, we have a new scent coming called Cinnamon Donut Swirl, which I was watching Bonnie's video and she was thinking it might be a repackage of iced cinnamon rolls that came out in a mini last Christmas. And I could definitely see it being that too, but I'm also hoping that it smells like cinnamon sugar donut. The body care, because I absolutely love that, but we'll see what that's going to be like. But I didn't really love iced cinnamon rolls that much. I would love it to be more like a cinnamon donut kind of scent, because they do the donut note really well if they do it kind of like how raspberry jam donut was. But yeah, this collection, I am just so pumped for. I'll probably just go ahead and buy them at 50% off as is, and maybe just get a price adjustment later. So that's that. Let's go ahead and talk about some candles real quick. So these are most likely gonna be either 50% off, maybe $12.95, $10. You never really know what they're gonna do. Just expect it to be about half off, but they are bringing out some new scents here for the sale. There's gonna be hot fudge drizzle, a sunny tropical mango, pink lemonade. Get ready. Pink petal tea cake is coming back for the sale. You guys need this candle. It is such an iconic scent from them that they haven't brought back for a long time in candle. It's a delicious rosy cake vanilla scent. It's kind of a weird mixture of the roses with gourmand, but it works so well together, and it's such a powerhouse if they do keep the same kind of formula. The packaging cracks me up though. It's like a little hot air balloon cupcake. So random, but I am so excited for this to be back. I do have a couple backups, but I will probably buy a few more because I don't know if it'll come back again. It's been a while, but you definitely need to get your hands on that one. There's also going to be a toasted pineapple marshmallow, which also sounds pretty good as well. It actually has fresh pineapple, milk chocolate in the notes, which I did not expect, toasted marshmallows, and graham cracker. Definitely going to have to get some of those scents. And then I'm also really intrigued about this. So they're actually going to be coming out with some mashup candles for some annual sale where it's like two popular scents mixed together. I don't know, I'm pretty pumped about it. So these are going to be for the sale as well. They're going to have a champagne toast and a fresh orange, marky peach and strawberry pound cake. Definitely intrigued about that one. A rosewater and ivy and mahogany teakwood. I think that one could be good. Pineapple mango and fresh balsam. Don't know how I feel about that. Cinnamon spice vanilla and Paris cafe. I think that one sounds really good. So I'm really intrigued about these. Bath and Body Works has done layered scents before in the past, where like the first layer will be one scent and then the next layer will be another. So I don't know if it's gonna be like that, where it's like a layered candle, or if it's gonna be mixed together to create an all new scent together. So we'll see. I'm curious about these. I think it could be really interesting though, but the pineapple mango and fresh balsam, like, that is such a weird combination. I don't know about that. And then we have some hand soaps coming out too for the sale. Usually they're $3, I believe. And they have this rainbow tie-dye collection coming out. There's gonna be a rainbow cereal soap. Yes, please, absolutely need it. Pineapple mango, a carnival kettle corn soap that sounds really good. Cucumber melon, chasing daydreams, and pink lemonade. And then also they have the cleansing gel hand soaps as well, which will have fresh rainfall, black cherry merlot, Japanese cherry blossom, kitchen lemon, peach bellini, and warm vanilla sugar. So that is all the information I have seen so far, which was a ton of stuff posted at once. So I definitely wanted to make a video because I'm mostly excited for these new body care things and the candles coming back. But it looks like there's going to be some really good stuff for semi-annual sale. I'm pretty excited. It seems like they really do go all out for the summer sale and bring back some really fun things. It seems like even more exciting than the holiday or Christmas sale is, because there's just always some returning scents that we've missed and want to see back and stock up on. So I'm getting pretty excited for the sale. I'm sure there will be even more information coming out, so maybe I'll have to do a part 2 to this video. We'll see. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want me to try and get my hands on that Fun Fair collection early. I'll probably have to pay full price, but if you guys want to see a review, let me know and maybe I can pick those up. But then it kind of takes the fun out of it for semi-annual sale, but we'll see. If enough people are interested, I might ask and see if I could grab it a little bit early. But that's gonna be it for this video. I just really wanted to go over some of my tips and tricks with semi-annual sale approaching in about a month, a little bit less than a month. So I know it's still a little bit farther away, but I can't wait. It's like my favorite sale of all time. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Let me know what you guys are excited for, what you're hoping to see at the sale this year, and what you're gonna stock up on. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.